Welcome back to JDM Software. So in this video, we are going to understand how the ledger, loan summary, and the collections and status reports all around the loans and deposits can be viewed in JDM Software. So what we have seen in last demo is basically that how branch management can be done and what sort of accounting, cash flows, cash in, cash outs, how we can do that, how accounting can also be done in addition to simplified loan management system. So what we have done, we created two loans and we can see that in status report all party list. If you see in due list, then I don't think we'll see any due for today, but whereas for next month, we may see some dues, right? Because these are monthly installments created actually. So if we go back to all party list, we can click on loan number one, and then we get to know the loan summary. Now this is, you can call it as like a ledger, like party ledger, but this party ledger at loan account level. Whereas if you want to see a party level uh, at the customer level, then you can search customer. For example, here it's platinum one, so plat one, and then here in passbook we can come to know the number of loan, deposits, and other details here. I can click here, create one more loan, and let's say this time the loan I want to create weekly basis. That's I want to create for, let's say, 52 week. I click save here. Loan 3 is created. I can search on loan 3 here. Okay, so if I search on loan 3 and also on plat 3, sorry, plat 1 is customer name. I just created because it's in a group of platinum, so that's why I created plat 1. Now here you can see two records actually, and you can also filter the number of loans closed, open. Now what we'll do, we'll just click 3. So here, this is the summary. Then how we are going to receive the amount. If we are receiving through bank, then what sort of bank method we have used to receive the payment. And automatically in the backend, all the accounting entries are done automatically. Uh, yeah, this is the installment. If you want to see the installment tracker here, we can see that every installment is 393, and let's say customer is willing to pay two installments or maybe a partially, so let's say 1000 paid. So we'll see how customer system will calculate it. This is customer paid 1000, and then let's see. So that's how it is done. Two installment received in full and one is in partial. Now you can also check this one. So due amount is 179 and partial received 214. So that's how it's calculated here. We can also, if you want to take a printout of the passbook, you can take printout here. If you want to see how transactions are done, you can see the transactions here, and you can take the printout again here. Printout of specific receipt actually. Then if you want to add a late fee, you can also add late fee. For example, late fee I want to add, let's say 50. Okay, so I added the late fee. Now what you can do is search on loan number 3. So late fee is added 50. So late fee you can add on the current installment, or you can add at the last installment. We can see where the late fee is added. Here it is added at the last installment because this is the fees actually. If you want to add at the current installment, you can do that configuration in master setup setting, and that can be done. And here is the account statement of the customer, so you can take a print of this. So most of the places print is provided here, and you want to take a print of collection report, let's say your daily collection. Okay, now what you can do is you can just click on your name here and then take a print, or you can also export from the same location. So here you can take a print, you can do all adjustments of your printer, but I would suggest to